Hello all, this will be the second part of the video trying to understand why Ford Mondeo 10 signal left or right is not working. So here I have two other headlight with me, and this one is on the car already. So I have this one on the car and this one is down, and what I'm going to do now is to try to put this one on the car and see if it will solve this issue. If it does not solve the issue, I will try to make more investigation and see where the problem is. So the light left or right signal is not working, and already, as you know, I changed the Komodo. I don't know if I have key with me. I already changed the Komodo. This one, I already changed this Komodo. It is here. It is sitting here for the 10 signal. You can see it here. It is here. I changed it on the previous video and still it's not working. So what I'm going to do now is to try to change the front headlight and see if you will solve this issue. And I already also changed the no, I didn't change the fuse because the fuse is good. The fuse is good, and I also checked the lights on the here, and everything seemed good. So what I'm going to try to do now is just to put that front headlight and see if you will solve this issue. So if I can remind you what is going on, so just remove all this thing here just to remind you what is going on. So if I start the car, if I start the car, the 10 signal left or right is not working normally. You see, with this sign, it means that something is wrong. If I put also the right side, something is wrong. And if I put, if I activate, you see, this is what is going on. This one is working normally, but I'm going to switch it off. But now, if I try to put like 10 signal left or right, it is going very fast, and it's not normal. It means that something is not going, something is not working normally, or like this. So I'm going to stop here, and you are going to put that new headlight and see if you will solve this issue. So at this step, I change only the driver side, and the other one is here. So we are going to start and see if the issue is solved. So even with this new headlight, I think that the problem is not still solved, because as you see, it is very fast. So as you can see, the issue is still there. So it means that the problem is not with the headlight. So I need to look the problem somewhere else. But as I look already, all the fuses are quite good. So the problem is inside the car himself. And I think that I'm going to try to look inside the car and see really what is not connected very well. So this problem seems little bit complicated than what I was thinking, and what I'm going to do now is to try to use a tester like this to test all fuse and see if any fuse is not working, and other fuse also to be on. The car need to be running. So we are going to start like this. It's okay. Okay. And normally this fuse is the fuse who is used for the 10 signal. This one is used for the 10 signal. It's working, and it's why the problem is a little bit more complicated. So everything here is working now. we come here. Okay, by the way, some holes here are empty, so for example this hole is empty. It's not important if the shoes here is here or not. It's not important. So this one are not important. And also this hole, as you can see, some holes are just empty like this, right, with nothing inside. So these three first hole at the top are just empty. So these shoes, I don't know if it need to be empty. I'm going to remove it right now. I'm going to try to remove it. Yes, it's empty. What's going on inside? It was here, I think so. It was here. So there's no light here because maybe the car need to be running, and yes, maybe it's for this fuse. Some fuse here need the car to be running, and then so we have 1, 2, these 3 fuse. We are going to see if this one also, this one, I don't know if you, because if I come back here, yes, you see we have light here. Let me do like this. We have light here, we have light here, but here we don't have light because maybe the car need to be running, and we have light here, nothing here, nothing here. We have nothing here. I put my hand like this. Oh, what's happened? Yes, you can see. Yes, so we have this fuse that we need to see the status of it when the car is running. So what we are going to do, I'm going to leave everything here down on this plastic metal, and we are going to start the car, and I will test it back again. So I start the car. And what I'm going to do now is to try to check that other fuse. I have nothing here. So still I have nothing on this fuse. This one like this, I have nothing there, and I don't know what is the problem with all that fuse. If I come back here, yes, I have something here, but here I have nothing. You see, even if the car is running, I have nothing there. I have nothing. And if you look this, if you look here, it is this line here. It is related to headlight. Yes. So if I put like this, so I don't think that is very important, because this fuse is for light, for the day, but it's not so important. I think so, not so important. I'm going to try to investigate more and see what is going on. So what I'm going to do at this level, it is to try to remove this relay, but I don't know if this relay have any link with the fact that the 10 signal light is not working. So according to this relay is related to something like height beam. So I'm going to try to remove this one who is also on the car, and I took one here. I'm going to take it right now. I'm going to remove it right now. Okay, so I removed this one, and I'm going to put it on the same position with this one. So this is the old one. I removed the old one. I'm going to put on my pocket. I'm going to throw it here on my pocket, and this one I put here, and we'll see if it solved the issue or not. I'm going inside. I'm going to start the car and look if the issue was related to this relay. Okay, I'm going to start it right now. So the problem, still the issue is there. Still the issue is there. No need to continue with it. Okay, so because the issue is not with the relay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose some headlight, some 10 signal light here, and I'm going to put it there to see if it will solve this problem. But already yesterday I changed it and the issue was still there. So I'm going to try to change it right now. I'm going to change it right now. Let me just put the phone here. So still the issue is not solved. What I'm going to do next is to try, because I don't know, down there I want to open this there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I'm going to try to look if there's something wrong there. You see, maybe there's something that is not working normally. I'm just going to try to see if I can remove something there and if it will be working again. Okay.